The lonely road high up into the Atacama Desert twists through a landscape like the moon. No life, just sand, hills, and rocks. The Salar, which means salt flat, is nestled amongst volcanoes and the soaring peaks of the Andes. It is enormous, stretching 170 kilometers from end to end. But it's what's below the clay surface that's of value. This brine, or salty water, contains different salts, including one very valuable one, lithium. Lithium is in increasing demand because it is the key ingredient in rechargeable batteries for our many electronic devices, but also for electric cars and plug-in hybrids, each of which will require about 11 kilograms of lithium for its battery. And it's these deposits that will provide the bulk of that lithium.
We are feeding from wells that we drill at 40, 50 meters deep, and we install a pump and pump out the solution, and we feed these shallow ponds for applying here solar evaporation. The action of the sun will concentrate the brines that are sitting in these ponds and will make to precipitate all the other elements but lithium.
The sun does all the work, and the sun shines here on average 330 days a year, and it almost never rains. About once a month, the brine is pumped from one pond to the next, and impurities are precipitated from the brine as it becomes more concentrated. And this is the final product. After 18 months and 15 ponds, all the other minerals have been extracted from the water, and what's left is a concentrated brine containing 6% lithium. The water now gets sent to a factory where it's refined into the various lithium products. Trucks carry the brine to the mine's processing plant, where a white powder is produced. This is lithium carbonate, and it is the powder that is the key ingredient in rechargeable batteries.
We're going to see the first electric vehicles come into wider use at the end of this year. And again, there are two on the auto company's plans, the Nissan Leaf and the Chevy Volt. But it's going to be several years before they're widely adopted in the US and Europe. But eventually, once they catch on, it'll probably be like mobile phones or the other technologies that we have seen come into play.
Several companies operate in the Salar, and there are other mines in Argentina. New mines are planned in the region. It is estimated that 80% of all the world's lithium is in Chile, Argentina, and Bolivia, and it is this lithium that could help to make the world a slightly greener place. Richard Reynolds, Al Jazeera, the Salar de Atacama.